Urbanization, the process of increasing population and expansion of cities, has significant environmental impacts. As more people move to urban areas, pressure on natural resources and ecosystems increases, leading to various environmental issues. Here are 7 key effects of urbanization on the environment. 1. Air pollution. The concentration of vehicles, factories, and other industrial activities in urban areas leads to high levels of air pollution. Emissions from transportation and industries release pollutants such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter, contributing to smog and respiratory problems. 2. Water pollution. Urbanization results in the contamination of water bodies due to untreated sewage, industrial waste, and runoff from roads and construction sites. This pollution affects the quality of water in rivers, lakes, and oceans, harming aquatic life and reducing the availability of clean drinking water. 3. Deforestation and habitat destruction. As cities expand, large areas of natural vegetation, forests, and wildlife habitats are cleared to make way for infrastructure, housing, and industries. This leads to the loss of biodiversity and disrupts ecosystems. 4. Urban heat island effect. Urban areas tend to be significantly warmer than surrounding rural areas due to the concentration of buildings, concrete, and asphalt, which absorb and retain heat. This phenomenon, known as the urban heat island effect, increases energy consumption for cooling and worsens the impact of heat waves. 5. Increased waste generation. The growing urban population leads to higher volumes of waste, including plastic, electronic, and food waste. Inadequate waste management systems in many cities result in the accumulation of garbage, which pollutes land and water bodies and poses a threat to public health. 6. Water scarcity. The high demand for water in urban areas, combined with inefficient use and poor management, leads to the depletion of freshwater resources. Over-extraction of water from rivers, lakes, and groundwater sources can lead to water shortages, particularly in densely populated cities. 7. Soil degradation. Urbanization often leads to soil erosion and degradation due to construction activities and the sealing of land with concrete and asphalt. The loss of fertile topsoil reduces agricultural productivity and increases the risk of flooding, as soil can no longer absorb rainwater effectively.